Holding your breath to stop hiccups? Scientists actually ranked what works. Sugar's the old classic. A spoonful cured hiccups in 19 of 20 people in one study. Solid, but not the best. Then there's the special straw that forces one hard sip. In a study of 600 people, it worked 92% of the time. Gargling cold water sounds random, but a 2025 study clocked it at almost 95%. The winner, though, costs nothing. Take one huge breath, fill your lungs, then keep sipping tiny bits of air without breathing out. Hold 30 seconds. In the study, that breathing trick worked 100% of the time, free, and it beat the straw. Send this to your hiccup friend.